Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Rishikesh Dwivedi and in today's video we are going to understand what is SAP RAP. If you are an ABAP developer or preparing for SAP BTP interviews, this topic is very important for you. So let's start. What is SAP RAP? SAP RAP stands for Restful ABAP Programming Model. It is SAP's modern development framework used to build SAP Fiori applications, OData services, cloud-ready applications, side-by-side extensions on SAP BTP. RAP is mainly used in SAP S4HANA, SAP BTP, ABAP RESTful Programming Application Programming Model. In simple words, RAP helps ABAP developers create Fiori-based applications using CDS plus business objects plus OData automatically. So, why SAP introduced RAP? Earlier we have seen in SAP we used SE38 reports, module pool programming, classical ALB, manual OData development in SAGW. That approach was not fully cloud ready. So SAP introduced RAP to support clean core concept, enable cloud development, reduce custom code complexity, automatically generate UI plus OData. Architecture of RAP. So in this architecture, RAP has three main layers: data model, behavior definition, and service definition and binding. Here we can see the whole structure of SAP RAP. Then we have evolution of ABAP. Firstly, we have classical ABAP programming, where we can freestyle ABAP programming. Then we have ABAP programming model for SAP Fiori, and currently we have ABAP RESTful Programming Model. So we will discuss on three main layers. First layer is data model, where we write CDS views for database table, define associations, add annotations for UI. The next layer is behavior definition. Here we define create, update, delete, lock, validation, determination in this layer. We gonna discuss later in detail. Next layer is service definition and binding layer. Service definition exposed CDS and service binding generates OData. It creates Fiori preview automatically. No need to SEGW anymore. Next we have managed and unmanaged RAP. In managed RAP, SAP handles CRUD logic and CRUD logic automatically. And unmanaged RAP, developer writes full logic manually. In managed RAP, we have to write less coding, and in unmanaged RAP, we have to write full coding. In managed RAP, SAP handles DB operations, and Unmanaged RAP, developers handles everything. Managed RAP best for S4HANA and unmanaged RAP used for complex logic. Then we have next topic, RAP versus Classical ABAP. So in Classical ABAP, we have ALB reports, SEGW for OData and custom logic everywhere, and that is not cloud ready anymore. So we have RAP for AL Fiori application. It generates automatic OData. It is a structured view model and it is cloud ready. So RAP is the future of ABAP. In for example, if you want to create a student management system in RAP, firstly we have to create CDS view for student table, then create behavior definition. After that we have to create service binding, and we can see the preview in Fiori app. That's it. Much faster than classical method. If interviewer asks what is SAP RAP, you can say SAP RAP is a modern programming model introduced by SAP to build cloud-ready Fiori-based applications using CDS views, behavior definition, and service binding with automatic OData exposure. Simple and impressive answer. So in this video we learned what is SAP RAP, why SAP introduced it, architecture of RAP, managed versus unmanaged RAP, difference from classical ABAP. In next video we will see in details. If you like this video, like, subscribe, turn on the notification. See you next video.